didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time. What's golden?
sound. Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. Can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain for a minute.
Hello. Now everything works. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Besides the fact that this has reset, so here we go. Hi. So, today we're gonna continue developing. Oh, I think I need to turn down the music a bit. Yeah. Last thing we're gonna continue in some game development today. Last time off stream I finished Blend Growth, and today we're gonna continue in a similar direction, which is being able to destroy certain structures like plants, the buildings, and so on, using the shovel. So let's switch over to Godot. There we are. And let's see. I'm pretty thrown into here right now, mainly because I basically didn't plan on streaming at all. It was mostly like I just was in the mood, and so I did a pretty spontaneous stream, but that shall not bother us. So let's see. This stream will be part of players, so here in the player code. So I will later need to rework a bit here to add an actual state machine, so I can clean up some of the code. I've already looked at how these things are done, but I'm going to do that off stream because it's mainly refactoring tons of code. But anyways, let's see with our current base. So how we need to solve that? First, we need to check if we need to make a click event, and we'll need to check if the player has holding the shovel. Then we need to check if they are hovering over something, and if they're hovering over something, we will check the health of an object, which is also something we'll need to add because currently they don't have a health yet. And if with the hit the health decreases below 0, it's just getting destroyed. So what is the easiest way of accomplishing this? It might make sense to create a parent class which will encompass what was his name again? The structures, the plants, the seeds, basically anything, even the animals. So I will build a global class that will I attach then the health to, and might even then add the function to it for giving it damage and checking if it gets destroyed. So I guess I'll start with this. Let's see. Bibles. How do I call this? The most difficult thing in coding, knowing how to name your stuff, right? And where do I put it? To keep everything kinda clean here. So it will encompass basically anything. So let's say... Structures is already a name I use for the building specifically, so I wouldn't call it structures. Let's just call it so simple. Let's call it world objects, and then I move the viable structures. I will move the animals into it. I think that's a nice one. So let's then make here a new script which we'll call world object. Oh, scripts I all write. It's lowercase here or starting lower camel case. Let's do this. Yep, like that. And what was it? Class name? I forgot how it was called. Up. That happens when you take a short break. Class name world object, and we can already add like a health export var object health, which is int. There we go. Now we will need, let's go into buyable and make buyable extends world object. So every buyable is also then a world object. Let's keep those for now. And let's add a function to damage property, damage object, int, the other way around, amount, int, and then we say object health minus equals amount, and if object health is less or equal than 0, self.q3. That should already be like, may even be enough to make that work. I don't actually know. So now we check for the player. They can also close. Let me clean up a bit here. So I really need to build a state machine for the player, just to get this code more clean, but I'll take care of that off stream. So now the follow was, we check if we are using the shovel, and if we're using the shovel, we check if we are hovering over something, and if both are true, then we'll call a damage function based on the level of the shovel, which we currently just have one, does. How do I cheat? Need to call it here. Oh wait, mouse button. Here. Here I would add it, and then it's actually relatively simple, I think. We do now func. How did I call other functions? Handle damaging world objects. Then somewhere else I had to check already for if they're hovering over something. So I honestly just need to find that piece of code. Yeah, I really need to clean this up. This gets so big by now. Really? Why can't I find it now? Did I put it somewhere else? Did I put that somewhere else? I hope the music isn't too loud. I think it looks good. Where did I add the hover? I think I don't need the rework there anymore. Am I crazy? I know I had that. Wait, I know where it is. There. Here's the code for that. Am I really unable to find this right now? Seriously? I know there's the... I am so probably confused right now because I know it's there. Is it still active in the code? Let me just run this real quick. Oh. I need to fix that before. Yeah, I know you sometimes lock the files. Let's see. I actually don't have it active anymore, the part of the code that was printing out. I was hovering over anything. I am so thoroughly confused because I know that part of the code. I've used it so many times, on and off. I gotta admit, I'm slightly irritated by that not being there where I, like, anywhere, honestly. I know, I did not remove that. I'm pretty sure I always just commented it out because I knew I would need that code more often. I'm really confused by this. Okay. Apparently. Hmm. I am very curious right now. Crazy. Okay, then let's, I guess, implement it ourselves. Wait, this is this function, isn't it? Where I did that, but... wait, I think I had it there. Let me quickly check. I take this. Oh, yep. Okay. I did it like this. I did use the entered function, but I think if we in a slightly different way would make more sense. Okay. What events do we have? What was the event called again? On area 3D body entered. Are you? Ah, here. Okay. Okay, let me see if I... Yeah, I Google real quick. Go check if area 3D is colliding. Otherwise, I can also just always save the last thing we are entering. Both would be a way to solve this. Get overlapping bodies. Let's try that. So we take area 3D dot get what was function called? Get overlapping bodies. That might be it. For bodies equals this. Then let's print out bodies here and let us oops, remove it there. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I need to still call the function. This will need to be called when... Here. There we go. Okay. We're not interacting with this, we're not interacting with this. Where is, where are... Oh, there you are. Wait! Stop static body 3D. Here ground and static body 3D. So we are interacting always with ourselves. Wait. Oh, okay, see. Okay. So we now actually got a list of things we are colliding with. So let's see if global, how did I call it? Global dot current tool equals global dot tools dot shovel. We need to first get the item we want to talk to. For this, honestly, I'm just gonna add everything to a group. I think that is the best way of doing this. Like if I give an example to the plan, actually not use the plan first, let's use the home first, because we have always there, it's always available for us. So we add a new group and we call it destructible object. Here we go. Oh, interesting. Group for all objects which can be destroyed by the player. Okay. So then we do for body in bodies. If body dot is here should be type of node 3D, because we can have almost anything. Actually, do we have something like body, like a overarching class for bodies? No. Let's say 3D is how do we check group again? I forgot how to check group. Godot check group. If in is in group, literally is in group. I guess like this, yes. Okay, is in group destructible objects. Then actually we should do this in the beginning, check for false, and then return if we're not. And if we are body dot, actually we know they are all of group world object. So we can say damage object. I called it damage object, and let's take the 100 damage. Oh, colon. Oh yeah, we got a list of these. How do I do lists in this language again? I forgot how I do lists. My goodness, a few days of taking a break, and I honestly forgot everything. I knew I did it somewhere already. Okay, let's just quickly Google that. It's quicker. Godot. Array type. How to. Hello. Can you please load? There we go. Yeah, but please, can you tell me? You type array. That is not the type I wanted. Ah, I like this. Okay, I see. Array world object. There we go. Now, let's take a look. Should be able, like if we click, nothing should happen. Oh, I forgot something. I'll need to first give this one its health. Oh, you are not actually part of world object yet. Let's fix this real quick. Oh yes, static body 3D. Can I actually just... I don't think I can actually just do that like this. I would need to wrap this whole thing around Node 3D. I guess that should not make any problems if I do it like this. How do I just make scene root? There we go. Worm home body, and then we call you worm home, and I guess the script can stay here. I'm actually not sure. I mean, honestly, it was just a debug script, so I can actually just get rid of that. So let's say you are just a world object and you are losing your script, and we put it back here. There we go. Okay. Oh wait, I need to first define health. Which will be now, let's say 200. 2 hits should destroy it in for test. Okay, here we are. Nothing like that should happen. Should I take out the shovel though? We crash. We have an array of node 3D to type array world object. Okay, that makes sense. Let's retry this. I should still be able to call damage objects, because we're just using a basic one now. I click this and non-existent object. Oh, because we are interacting with the static body 3D and not the parent. Okay, that's not a problem. We just need to restructure this a wee bit. Actually didn't even need to do what I did to... You can be the rule. Oh, there. There, let's put you back in here. Well, actually, every destructible needs to be a static body 3D or a... Can it be something else actually? Not sure. Plants are type plant, type viable, and viables are world objects. Which is, what is my plant? You are a node 3D. Hmm. I mean, if I want to interact with it anyway, I will need to give it a static body 3D or a rigid body 3D. The animals were all animals were all character body 3D. But that is okay, then I think you should be able to just say plants are static body 3D. This has no shape, it cannot collide. Okay. So you need an area 3D. This node has no shape, it cannot connect. Like, consider adding a collision shape or collision polygon. Okay. Call shape. Shape must be provided. Please create a shape resource for it. Yep. Capsule. Cylinder would be perfect, I think. Put you like there. Oh, did not want to do that. Yeah, wanted to do this. Okay. Height isn't really relevant. And you need to be a child of this. Has no shape. What? Oh, you are a static body 3D? Wait, what? I'm confused. I don't need an area 3D. Oh, I screwed it up. Okay. So you take your collision shape. And you're also in the group Destructibles. Quick sip of tea. So now let's take a look. I think this might work now. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay. I think it clicked twice. So and export var damage delay time, which is float, and var damage delay timer, which is a timer, equals timer dot new, and we say damage delay timer dot wait time equals damage delay time, and damage delay time mehr dot one shot equals true. This is not true. This is true. And solve a child damage delay timer. And then we take this and that is active not Oh, just one. Wait, I had it used that earlier. Did I do it wrong? Ah. Okay, I can do this. Actually, that is quite nice. And let me just do this instead. Else return. So by delay time is 1. Damage delay time is also 1. Why is it? Was that 0? Anyway, one more thing I quickly look up is which format was that timer. Wait time there. Okay, it's in full seconds. It's in seconds by float. That is perfectly fine. Oh, I think quickly setting up something. Gotta sort my my VTuber model. Make this work again. Yeah, because there was an issue with a different kind of tracking I tried today, which caused me to move out of the way. Anyway, what time is it actually by now? 4:20. Oh, happy 4:20, everyone. Where were we? Right, we added the time. And then we call damage. Okay, that should now work. It should now have 200 HP. Where is it? There. That did not work as it should. Absolutely not. Oh, why do you only have 0 health now? I set you to 200. Is there anything, are there certain things that might reset that? Yes. Okay. Cool. And with an animation later, that should work quite well. Anyway, so one more thing I'll need to check. Is the ground changes. Okay, wait. Is there anything like a quick check through list? Katie wants outside. Right back. Here we go. Alright, taking care of Kitty. Let me think. Godot, check all items in array. How to check all the items in array? Is that an easy thing like in Python, for example? Use a loop. Okay. Okay. Everyone's just using loops. Then that's perfectly fine for me. So, because I actually have to think, because this part is in the world code. Because we have to modify terrain here, which is called player action. Player action here modifies. So I call the modify terrain and texture, where we get the player position room on player action. Player dot position. Okay. What if player is character 3? Okay, let's do this. Say here player is character body 3D. Actually, I should let's give this a class name. Name player. Then it's easier to refer to. So you're now part player, and we say then player dot position. Might actually need to be global position. Does it? Actually, not sure. Anyway, if player dot find child collision shape 3D. Done. Oh, I don't have the remaining code in my thingy anymore. Let's go quickly here. There. If and then dot name for player and find actually var player body interactions equals for body in player body interactions if player is in group if it's in group we return actually because we then don't want to modify the ground. Might already be the fix we needed. So let's non-existent function get overlapping bodies in base collision because we need the area 3D here. Let's reset. Okay, let's see. It didn't fully work out like I hoped it would. Quick take a look at something just happened on Tumblr, so never mind. Take overlapping bodies. If body is in this group, we return for this whole function. But why do we still modify the ground? Maybe I will need to make the timer we created available here, so I can also wait it out. This is weird. YouTube was down for a sec there. That was weird. So where was I? Okay, how to name something? Damage delay timer dot name equals damage delay timer. Is that already actually enough? Let's restart and check. So go remote, damage later. Okay, cool. We can name them this way easily. Let's do it here as well. Dot name equals by timeout timer. Weird name. I should rename that. Why did I name it that way? Anyway, that is admittedly a very funny, very dumb name. Where was I? Alright, yes, and we'd also say if player dot get child, what was it called? Damage delay timer. Let's, if that works, I will name it to action timer dot is, oh, what was it? Stopped. This is active, right? Paused, stopped, is stopped. Okay, then let's this is stopped. Return. Oh. No, get child should be in. Oh, oh, I need to use find child in that case. Okay. Okay. This should now do its thing. Oh, on a null instance. That shouldn't be happening. That is, Hmm. Okay, fine. Child looks for an type of something. Finds the first descendant of node whose name matches pattern. But why don't you find? Can't you? I mean, we're checking here. Can use get name. Get name. Wait, what was it called? Get node. Got node, not name. No, get node. But why are you none? Why were you none? This works. This should not be happening. Why do you do this? Ah! Okay, let's reset. Why are we hitting this? Let's take the shovel. Oh, wait. Because we're checking this after. Thought it would be more efficient this way around, but I think this way it would not work if it happening at the same frame. Wait, what? 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 Oh, is it happening too quickly? Is this a race condition bug? That is... Hmm. I don't get it. Must be some race condition stuff, which was really bad. How? How can I fix this? I gotta seat myself correctly. I have no idea how I can fix this issue right now. This that bothers me. So timer isn't active. Well, I mean, in the end, I can't fix it actually like Viva Pinata does itself. Like they, when you build a new structure, in the ground below it will automatically become like soft soil, and that could actually be the solution here. To just when adding a new object, the ground will be set to soft soil automatically, which will avoid this bug. How do I approach this? Okay. Let's sort this into folders and put you and you in there. Let's use our outhouse as a test. So it is not a plan, blah blah blah, object scene. What was? Oh, right. Since I restructured it, it lost all of it. Oh, that's okay. So you are a static body 3D. So you get this item. And okay, when we create this, this is part of player. By state. Right here. Okay, we need to check the garden. How do I update the ground? How do I access the ground actually in the first place? Give me the global scene, please. The script here is in garden itself. Okay, I mean that should work if we now go here. If it's not a plant, because a plant will need certain type of ground anyway. I think it only will need soft soil. Else slash root slash garden. Dot let's skip this song. Dot modify terrain, which is here player dot position. Tool type is global dot tools dot shovel. Okay. Can't jump here to the definition. Okay. Here. Delta height. Radius. Okay, we take the radius here, which I think is better if we pass it into this function, because then I can adjust it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Delta height, you should be float. Float radius, which is also float, I guess. Current tools. Yes, and you will be here. Oh, blend mask we will also update? No. Okay. Then oh wait, no. I need to put in radius as a float in here. Radius, and you will need to push in the current tool size, and then we can say here you are not current tool size, you are the radius of our current object, which is player bound instance dot, how do I do width? Yeah, I just thought so. There's no natural width. Would be weird if it would be. So let's take a look at, for example, Planty. Static body 3D, you have a collision shape. How do I increase size again? No, am I? Oh, that one. Right, how do I, which property is this? Oh, the shape. Dot shape dot radius. Okay. Oh, that might become an issue because you of course also have shape, but you don't have a radius, which makes it complicated. So I would rather say all of you are boxes. So like this. Then half x, the half of x, squared plus the square root of both x is halved. So let me see. We were here. Var ground adjustment radius equals player board instance dot get node collision shape 3D dot shape dot size x var instance underscore size x. Well, we did not want to do that. Go away. Dot no, not dot equals get node dot shape dot x. I can't just. And you take z, and then is math. How to do math in this thing? Where you? Oh, yes, same variable name. Not. Then Google. Go to square root. Pow. There's just pow. Cool. Pow instance size x over 2 plus instance size y over 2. Let's use some brackets to make things there fit a bit better. Got a message. Okay, what? Base exponent. Yes. Where's the issue? Enter statement after variable declaration. Oh wait, that bracket. Oh, I have bracket too many. Oh, this one is named wrong. I very much doubt that this is gonna work out of the box. Yeah. Invalid access to property or key shape on object collision shape 3D. Property path. Oh, your lowercase shape. Is that it? Is that it? No. Okay. Are you maybe uppercase? Might be it already, hopefully. Give us some money, go to town, buy an outhouse, and that is difficult. Oh, we probably size.x, size.z. That would make a whole lot more sense if it would be size as a parent property. Okay. Okay. Might actually be it. Okay. Let's double this. It's basically correct, but I would like to cover more ground. Damn, music is going awesome. Let's see, huh? What if we just say take the third power of it? But so far it seems to work. Proud. Why are you... I feel like it's still the same size. Let's take a ridiculous high amount here. Let's take it to the power of 10. Oh my goodness, that's a long calculation. The game froze. Power of 10 was probably a bit too much. Oh, because it now needs to change the whole ground in like a massive area. I need to recalculate that. I crashed the game, I think. It is a bit stuck. Oh yeah, you can see my cursor. Damn. I did not know. Yeah. Damn. Ah, damn. Okay, this is way too slow. Let's not take to the power of 10. Money, town, this. But now it feels so small again. I feel like... Let me quickly take a look at what gets calculated there. What is the ground adjustment radius? 525. That should be way, way more. Let's hard code this for a sec. I am bamboozled. Oh, I still have my breakpoint. Now I changed so much ground again that the game got stuck. And the kitty wants back in, I think. She's very loud. Let me take care of that real quick. Here we go. Oh, it has loaded. Yeah, it's again very, very small. So why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this work? But let's put this back. So what I think is happening is that we are somehow only modifying a single block in our rasterization of the ground. But actually it should be taken care of with this code. Huh. Like, we don't have the current tool size anywhere still, right? I don't know. I don't know. I don't really understand why it doesn't work fully. Oh, we take the... But that's okay. I mean, here we can say actually instead of this, the position of that item. I think that would make a bit more sense, but it shouldn't fix the bug. Oh, and the position doesn't even align correctly, apparently. Global position, maybe? It works, but it's still way too small. So, yeah, didn't expect it to fix by this, but that's better in terms of position. I mean, it didn't matter that I put in like a huge radius there. It was still screwed. I don't know. And they're still walking through. Oh no, we have not ground. They're now visiting. I don't know. I'm a wee bit stuck here. I don't know. It works. It works when when the player uses the different tool sizes, but it does not work if we put in. Okay, don't know if I can get this one fixed right now. What time is it? Ah, 5 p.m. I need to check something real quick. Hmm. Hmm. I'm confused. It should work like this. Let's take a look again at the tools. I'm curious right now. Oh, breakpoint shit. They are quite big. They are all the same size now. That is weird. I remember this worked. Damn. Damn. Oh, what? Why was this not passed correctly? That was weird. I mean, it doesn't change the fact that it does not work. Huh. Huh. Position is a vector 3, right? Yeah, that should work. I don't know. I actually think I'm stuck right now. This bug is quite the headache. This bug is quite the headache. Okay, I think I won't be able to solve this right now, especially since the heat today is just breaking me apart. It's like, dang. But honestly, I have no clue. I have really not a single clue where this bug appears. Like it does. Okay. I think I'll leave it at this point. Was definitely successful. Like, we can now destroy buildings and plants and everything. I should add health. Oh, I need money. I need to also add like an arrow if there's money. So I can put this. Oh, there's a bug. That is funny. I apparently never called this function before, otherwise it would have been shown. Interesting. I never tried to put down when I bought something. That is pretty funny. There we go. Okay, that doesn't want to get destroyed. This does, and it even now not put the stuff behind it. So let's see why the outhouse did not want to be destroyed. Maybe because it shouldn't matter actually. Being saved for a circular reference. Oh. Oh! That is interesting. Oh. I'll be going offline even quite soon because my husband's coming home. Awesome. Let me quickly try though to buy another outhouse. Put this away. It does not work. We don't even find the static. Oh, right, because probably you are not here yet. Right. I will need to fix the circular dependency thing with the buying things. That is, it should be destroyed by now. Why are you not working? You work here? But you don't work here? What? What? Yes. Why don't you outhouse structure is a buyable structure. Buyable structures are world objects. And world objects should be destroyable if they have the flag. What? What? Huh. Huh. That is weird. Huh. Interesting. This fits. Huh. I mean, we are targeting it. That did work. You are static bodies. Okay. Anyway, I'll take it off from here on. Let's swap over here. So, thank you so much for watching today. I hope we can get this fixed quite soon. This is like the two things. For one, that it didn't destroy the objects we buy, but only those that are already placed, which is weird. And the second one was that we weren't able to modify the sizes of the ground modification. Both two very weird bugs I right now don't have really a clue how to tackle, but I'll figure it out, maybe off stream, maybe in the next stream, we'll see. But for now, we'll see each other next time again, and yeah, take care everyone.